Huh? Why are you doing this? Can I have the hammer? Can I have the hammer, please? Can you stop? Can you stop? Please stop. This is not good. Will you stop, please? Can I have the hammer? Just one more time, okay? Then I can have the hammer and we'll stop you. Okay, let's stop, please. This is not good. No, not one more time. Please. Please. Let's stop. Huh? No, you've already done like 7, okay? Why? Why, friend? Can you just tell me why?
Not for you. Not for you.
Did somebody hurt you or something?
Not for you.
But let me take the hammer, and then we'll stop and we can talk, okay? Let me take the hammer and we can stop, okay? Please?
Not for you.
What? Laugh for me?
Not for you. Not for you.
Hey, sir, you need to put that down. Sir, put it down. You're in trouble. We just want to talk to you. Put the hammer down.
Yeah, not good.
Put the hammer down. Put it down.
Not good.
Put the hammer down. Not good, but can you put it down? Put the hammer down. Drop it. Hey, no, drop it. We want to talk to you. Hey, drop it.
Not good.
Stop. Stop. Got one station. Hey. Okay. Go stand up.
Now hit me. Now hit me.
We're not hitting you.
I tell you. I tell you. I go with
Hold
you.
her straight.
I go with you. I go with you. I go with
Hey.
you.
Hey.
I go.
Put your hand behind you. Behind your hand. Behind your hand. Behind your back.
You got not good. You got not good. You got not good.
Stand by.
You got not good. You got not good.
One in custody.